Hello everyone, so I'm back with another unboxing from The Rituals. I bought this limited edition Blooming Sensation kitchen set, which I really love because it smells good. It will make your kitchen smells fresh and clean. It's the fragrance rose damascena and prickly pear. So I'm not sure if I pronounce it correct, damascena, but anyways, I really love it. So this is how it looks like inside. Let me just take it out. As you can see, it is a little bit big. It's 300 ml, as you can see on my hand. So it's gonna last long, I guess. And this hand balm is 175 ml, so a little bit smaller than the hand wash. Anyways, so when I bought this, they said that I could get a freebie if I reach certain amounts, which who doesn't like freebies? Of course, you're gonna buy extra stuff just so you could reach the certain amount. So this is the freebie. This is the Hydration Essentials Overnight Duo. It comes with the shower gel and the body mask. So I really like it because this is a travel size. I get rid of bringing big sizes when I'm traveling, so this is really something that I can use. And yes, I also love the smell. It smells fresh and refreshing. And so since I told you guys that I need to buy something for me to be able to get this freebie, I'm going to show you what I got. I got this 2 sunscreen. Yes, it is for the face, and I always use sunscreen and I make sure that it is high SPF. So I got the 50 plus SPF because it's really warm now. It's beginning to summer now here in Norway, and I make sure that I always put sunscreen. It is very important. So that's why I got 2 for me to be able to reach the certain amount, so I would get those freebie. It's kind of like boodle, they boodle me so I would get more products and they would get more sales. And now it's time for me to put this kitchen set in my kitchen so my kitchen will smell good. So now it's time to say goodbye to you and replace you with a new one. Alright, that's it guys for this unboxing. Bye!